Hi, I'm Dave from Golf Car UK. Today we're going to be going over winter maintenance of your lead acid golf carts. Batteries can be damaged if left to completely discharge over the winter and can be very costly to replace. Let's start with cleaning of the batteries. Battery corrosion builds up around exposed metal parts of the battery compartment. So what is battery corrosion? The gases given off from the battery during charge cycle react with the exposed metal parts, forming corrosion. We're going to start by mixing up a cleaning solution for the batteries. This consists of water and bicarbonate of soda. Bicarbonate of soda acts as a mild alkaline solution which helps neutralise the acid buildup on the battery terminals. That's the chemical reaction between acid and alkaline. Use a soft cloth or a sponge dipped in the bicarbonate of soda solution and gently scrub the battery terminals. Use a wire brush or battery terminal cleaner for stubborn corrosion. After cleaning the batteries with the bicarbonate of soda solution, rinse them thoroughly with fresh water. Once the batteries are fully rinsed, use a clean, dry towel or cloth to remove any excess moisture from the batteries. Consider using a battery terminal protector spray or a grease. This creates a protective barrier between the battery terminal exposed parts and the gases being released from the batteries. Water levels, check monthly. Best practice is to check these after the charge cycle is complete. Charge level. Vehicles fitted with the Delta Q Smart Charger will trickle charge the battery pack as and when needed. The best practice is to leave the vehicle plugged in over the winter months. If your vehicle is equipped with an older standalone chargers, these chargers will not cut back in and trickle charge the batteries when required. The best practice here is to unplug the charger, plug this back in. This will top up the charge. Best practice is to do this monthly. Thanks for watching our video on winter maintenance of lead acid golf carts.